Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shivaji Group of Institutions. Students in class 9 subject physics. Today we are going to study part B of chapter number 8, which is propagation of sound waves, and in part B which is infrasonic, sonic and ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves of frequency. Okay, sir. So first we will understand what is these terms. Students, I am speaking and you are hearing. So the waves generated when I speak are categorized in three parts. Okay, or sound wave is categorized in three parts. Let's suppose this is a whole sound wave, which frequency is this from this end to this end. The frequencies from 0 Hz to 20 Hz is called infrasonic. It's called infrasonic frequency. Okay, students, and the frequency from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, or simply we can say 20 kilohertz. This is 1000, so 1k equal to 1000. Okay, so this is 20,000 hertz. This is called sonic waves, sonic frequency, and the frequencies above 20 kilohertz to above is called ultrasonic. Ultrasonic frequency. Okay, students. So this is the categorization of frequency of a sound wave. Okay. Now, students, this is called sonic wave. Why it is called sonic wave? Because humans can hear and reduce the sound frequency between 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. It is called sonic wave, and the frequency less than 20 Hz infrasonic, human can't hear this or reduce this, and above than 20 kilohertz it is unbearable to humans. Okay, so this is ultrasonic wave, but there are few conditions. Children can hear up to 30 kilohertz. Okay, students, and children can, and a old person can hear only up to 12 kilometers. Okay, this is the limitation. As human can, as a person getting old, its hearing capability decreases. Okay. Students, there are some animals which can produce or hear infrasonic frequencies, and also some animals which can produce or hear ultrasonic frequencies. Okay, dog can hear the frequency less than 20 kHz, which is from infrasonic. Okay, and the dolphin can produce up to 150 kilohertz on him. Okay, so this is what a dolphin. Now we will make a chart of some animals which can produce or hear infrasonic or ultrasonic waves. As we have studied, human can reduce or hear from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Okay. In case of bat, it can produce 10 hertz to 100 kilohertz. This is 10 hertz, which is less than 20. So this comes from infrasonic. Okay, this is in infrasonic range. The cat can produce 80 hertz to 60 kilohertz. Okay. Next one is 20 dog, 20 hertz to 50 kilohertz. And in dolphin, it is 200 hertz to 150 kilohertz. And grasshopper, 90 hertz to 1 kilohertz. Okay friends, this is our chart of some animals which can produce and hear ultrasonic or infrasonic waves. Now we will understand why how ultrasonic wave is different from sound wave. Ultrasonic frequency, as this is ultrasonic waves have high frequency. Ultrasonic waves have high frequency. Okay. Due to this high frequency, they consist of two main properties. When it propagates in medium, it carry high energy. It carry high energy than a normal sound wave. Okay. Next, it doesn't deviate like sound wave. Normal sound wave means normal sound wave at the edges of obstacles. Okay. It deviate, but comparatively sound wave it less deviate. Okay, students. So this is the main two properties of ultrasonic wave. Now we will see the applications of ultrasonic wave. Okay, what is the application of ultrasonic wave? First one is it is used in sonar. What is sonar and what is its full form? Sonar is nothing but a sound navigation and ranging. Okay, it is like a radar. What is radar and where it is used? Radar is used for the navigation purpose in air. Okay, but the waves used in radar doesn't work in water. Okay, so sonar is used in the sea or water for navigation purpose, and in sonar ultrasonic wave is used. Ultrasonic wave is used. Okay, students. And next one is many animals, or for example bat. In night, bat travel because of ultrasonic, or it use ultrasonic wave to detect obstacles in the path of it. Okay. Next one is ultrasonography. What is ultrasonography? Simply it is called ultrasound. It is normally called ultrasound. What is ultrasonography? Students, you have heard about ultrasound. Many doctors prescribe patients for ultrasound if they have any gall tumor or stone in their gallbladder, ureter, and any organ of their body. Okay, so ultrasound is used, and in ultrasound ultrasonic waves are used. Okay, and for echocardiography simply it is called ECG. What is ECG? ECG is used for imaging of heart. Okay, if there is any problem in heart, any person's heart, then echocardiography is used for the imaging of their heart, and in ECG ultrasonic waves are used. So these are the few applications of ultrasonic waves. One more application, it is used for cleaning, small objects like watch and electrical and electronics equipment. Okay, for cleaning of these types of objects, ultrasonic waves are used. Now we will understand what is the main difference between ultrasonic and supersonic waves or frequencies. Okay, so students, as we have learned what is ultrasonic, it is a frequency, it is a wave having frequency, it is a wave having frequency, it is a wave having frequency more than 20 kilohertz. Okay, and what is supersonic, or we can say what is supersonic? Simply word, what is supersonic? Supersonic is nothing but speed more than the speed of sound. Speed more than the speed of sound. Okay, when an object travels with a speed more than speed of sound, then supersonic waves generated. It is very harmful waves and it destroys even a building. Okay, so this supersonic waves generated when an object travels with the speed more than speed of sound wave, and we know the speed of sound wave is 330 meter per second. Okay, now you have heard about many missiles travel with the speed of Mach 1, Mach 2, Mach 3. So what is this Mach? This Mach is nothing but the speed of sound. If any missile is traveling with Mach 1 speed, then it is traveling with the speed of 330 meter per second. And if missile is traveling with speed of Mach 2, then it is traveling with 2 times of sound speed, which is approximately 660 meter per second. And simply when it is Mach 3 is triple the speed of sound. Okay, so this is the main basic difference between ultrasonic waves and supersonic waves. Okay, so thanks for today's class. Have a nice day.